What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I want to do a little room tour for you guys before I went back to school, and I leave tomorrow, so I want to hurry up and get this up. So let's get started. Here's a little overview of my room. And here's my cup. Let's put it behind the TV for now. But let's start here. So as soon as you walk in, there's my door. And when you walk in and you turn to the right, I have a stool and some picture frames that I'm probably gonna hang up on the wall because I don't have that much wall art yet. Then I have like my plugs or whatever, and my TV. Probably gonna take that back to school. Then my closet full of my yummy clothes. I really love these doorknobs or whatever. Then right next to my closets, I have my hamper. This is probably from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and I really do like this hamper. Like, it's so cute. And I just have an apple because I don't know where else I will put this in my room. And this is probably from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Then I have stuff, which is just my work shoes and like this black box. Next we have my bed. Now, I can't tell y'all where I got this from because I honestly don't know, but I can tell you where I get my pillows from. But yeah, this is my bed. This rug is from TJ Maxx, I believe. My grandmother made, like, she recovered this headboard, and this headboard is from the Value City Furniture. That's where it's from, the Value City Furniture. These pillows, all from TJ Maxx. These two pillows and that one came in like a book, and then this is like a separate one. This blanket is from TJ Maxx. It's just a blanket, I guess. My sheets, my pillowcases are Kate Spade from TJ Maxx. So after my bed, we're just gonna turn this way and we're going to look at my dresser. Here's my Eiffel Tower. Forgot where I got it from. I forget where we got everything from. But here is my dresser slash entertainment center, just because it has my TV on it. My dresser we got from the Value City Furniture as well. I have socks in here, extra socks, panties and junk, you know. T-shirts, mostly pajamas is in this one, and like sweatpants and sweatshirts are in that one, and leggings. But here's my TV. It's a smart Vizio TV. Here's a little Christmas tree. Yeah, it's January 5th. And I still have a Christmas tree, but I don't know. I'm gonna take that out later. Then we have this section. Okay. So we're gonna start with my little jewelry thing. Don't know where we got it from, but it was gold. Then we're gonna move to the first shelf. This is probably from TJ. Actually, I don't know. No, this is from Pier 1 Imports. That's definitely from Pier 1 Imports. This is from, I don't know. This is supposed to go in my bathroom, but my mom just put it in here. Got some perfume and junk. My cable box. This owl. Don't know where it's from. I'm so sorry. Then we have like my lotions, my body creams, perfume, deodorant, and some more lotion. Which I really don't wear these anymore because I've had all those lotions for about 3 years. All these lotions I've had about for 3 years, and I don't wear them anymore because I just wear regular lotion like Dove or Suave or Carrie. This is supposed to be my makeup shelf. So this is my makeup that I keep my palettes in, but no palettes are in there now because I'm keeping this home. This is where I keep, you know, foundation, just extra stuff. You know, I have a makeup thing coming out, so y'all see all that. These are my palettes now. These are my brushes. This is a brush thing, but I just have my for the time being while I'm home, I just have like some hair ties. I have some lotions right here and a spray bottle because I didn't know where else to put it. And then we have some more makeup stuff like my moisturizer, my primer, and my sprays, some Q-tips to clean my piercing. On this bottom row, oh, I can't forget about this. can't not forget about these with my makeup. Well, in this bottom row, I just have some candles. I have like 4 candles, a bag and some cotton balls, and my hair stuff is in here. Okay, let's get up. Okay, so this corner, what up, y'all? This me. Oh, but anyway, this is me. What is up, focus? What is up? This is me coming at you. But yeah, this is my ring light. Y'all know my ring light. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Like, she is gorgeous, and she gets brighter than that. Y'all can't really see it, but over here in this little corner behind my ring light, I just keep a trash can. In this box, this cup doodles or whatever you call it. Speaking, that's the cup doodles too. But in this box, I have nail polish, and that's my chi straightener. We have my mirror from I don't know where, but I totally love this mirror. It goes so well in my bathroom. Like, I don't know, that's just like the theme, I guess, in my room is glass and my bathroom is glass. Then we have my curtains. Now, I know what y'all are probably thinking. These curtains look really similar to my curtains at school. That's because they are similar. The curtain in the middle is just like this. It's just like these 2 curtains at school are white. I don't know if like they're the same brand or anything, but yeah. Those are my curtains. Oh, I got another Christmas tree. Now we're gonna move on to my nightstand. About my nightstand, okay. So this is a Sumter collection nightstand. Sumter company or whatever, I don't know. My parents and my grandma was just talking about it, but it was originally brown, but my mom painted it white, and we changed the handles were originally like bronze or gold or whatever, and we changed them to silver, I guess. So my nightstand, this is a handmade lampshade, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change it because it don't really match nothing in my room anymore. It's too dark, you know what I mean? But I have a mirror. What up, y'all? This me. My mini tripod, which I got tricked because, man, before y'all buy tripods, do your research. I have this little 3 divided thing, which you could use for makeup brushes, but I just use them for pens. My Beats Pill Plus, a candle. Smells so good. Just miscellaneous jewelry or whatever. This is my jewelry thing from school where I keep like most of my jewelry. I think a lighter's in the bottom of here for my candle at school. I have my glasses, and then I have an owl that was originally mint green, but I spray painted it gold because mint green. I don't know if y'all heard anything just now because I was covering the mic. Okay, so I think y'all were hearing stuff. If y'all didn't, I'm gonna be highly upset. That means I gotta film this all over again. But yeah. Then I just have my charger for my MacBook when I want to shorten it up. I think I said everything. You know, my MacBook, my TV remotes, my phone, my plug outlet. I think this is all. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all another quick little montage.
This one right here goes out to all the babies, mamas. Baby mamas. Yeah, go like this. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Okay, I forgot to mention where I got these from. TJ Maxx, Jayde, TJ Maxx, XOXO, TJ Maxx, love, 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 love. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you when I catch you.